Very good afternoon, my dear children. Please take your workbook. Let us discuss the homework answers first. So, Kailas, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer you got for A? 408 divided by
136. 136. 136. Quotient 136 reminders. Quotient 136 reminders.
some network issues are there, that's why. Okay, Kailas, what is the answer you got? Kailas? Oh, Kailas has some network issue, I think. Let me ask to Savio, please unmute. Turn on your video. Unmute. Unmute fast. Savio.
Ma'am.
Yes. Help me to do this problem. Okay. 408 divided by 3. And thus which digit you have to divide first?
4.
4 you have to divide. So 4 divided by 3. 4 is less than 3 or greater than 3?
Less than 3.
4 is less than 3.
Greater than 3.
Greater than 3. So we can divide 4 by 3. So to divide, what you have to do? How to divide? Follow the steps C, D,
1
E.
into 3.
You have to write the table. So here the divisor is 3. You can write the table. 1, 3 is
3.
3. 2 threes are
6.
6. Here our dividend is 4. Can we take 6?
No.
No. We already got 6, so we can stop writing the table. If you are continuing also, you won't get 4. So you can stop writing the table, but we cannot take 6 because it is greater than 4. Which one we can take?
3.
3. From this 3 divided by 3 is equal to how much?
1.
1. That you can write as quotient on the top. Now, what is the next step? So division over. We got the quotient. Division over. Then next step is
Multiplication.
multiplication. 1, 3 is
3.
3. What is the next step?
Minus.
Subtract. 4 minus 3,
1.
1. What is the next step? B. B for
Before.
uh, B for
Down.
bring down. You can bring
Bring
down the
down.
next digit 10, 0. Now you have to divide 10 by 3. Now, Juan, please unmute. Very good, Savio. You can mute your audio. Now, Juan, please unmute. 10 divided by 3. 10 is less than 3 or greater than 3?
Greater than 3.
So we can divide 10 by 3. Now, to divide, what you have to do? To divide 10,
3.
To divide 10 by 3, what do you want to do?
9.
You have to write the table. You have to continue the table. This, either we have to get 10, or 10 is, if 10 is not there, you can go for a less than nearest number to 10. Okay. So 2 threes are
Okay.
6. 3 threes are 3 threes are
9.
9. 4 threes are 4 threes are 2 threes are 6.
12.
3 threes are 9. 4 threes are
12.
12. See, our dividend is 10. Can we take 12?
9.
We cannot take 12 because it is greater than 10. Which one only we can take? 9. From this,
9.
9 divided by 3 is equal to
3.
3. That we can write on the top as question. What is the next step? Next step is after division. What is the next step? Now division over because we got the quotient. What is the next step? M. Multiplication. Now 3 threes are
9.
9. 9. We already know 9. 3 threes are 9. 10 minus 9. What you will get?
1.
1. Now, what is the next step?
8.
Bring down 8. Now you have to divide 18 divided by 3. Very good. Juan, please mute your audio. Now, Michelle, please unmute.
Ma'am.
18 divided by 3. 18 is less than 3 or greater than 3? Sorry?
Less than 3.
18 is less than 3?
Greater than 3.
Greater than 3. 18 is bigger than 3. So, can we divide 18 by 3?
Yes.
Yes. For that, to divide, what you have to do? We have to continue the
Table.
table. 4 threes are 12. Next, 5 threes are?
5 3s are 10.
Is it 10?
Uh,
Vihan, I can see. Very good. Your answer is correct. 5 threes are?
5 3s are
Uh, 5 threes are?
15.
15. 5 threes are? 15. 6 threes are? 6 threes are? Savion, please turn on your video. 6 threes are? My dear, please learn the multiplication table. Revise the multiplication table. 18. See, our dividend is 18. We got the dividend. So we can stop writing the table. From this, 18 divided by 3 is equal to
6.
6. That you can write as quotient on the top. Now, next step is division over. We got the quotient. So division over. Next
Multiply.
step, multiply. 6 threes are, you already know 6 threes are how much?
18.
18. That you can write down to the dividend that we have divided. What is the next step?
Subtract.
Subtract. 18 minus 18?
0.
0. Here any more digit is there to bring down?
No.
We can stop writing the, stop doing the division. What is the quotient?
Quotient 136.
136. What is the remainder?
0.
0. So quotient is equal to 136. Remainder is equal to 0. Those who haven't got correct answer, please correct your mistake. All of you, please correct your mistakes. If anybody has got mistake.
And
Sorry?
this number, page number 22.
Page number 25, question number 22 we are discussing now. Okay. So, next question. I already told you to do as a homework. So, I hope you all have done. So, we can go to next question. Uh, it's Next question is 909 divided by 5. Now, I want Adidev, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, which digit we have to divide first? 909 divided by 5.
9.
9. This first 9 we have to divide. 9 divided by 5. 9 is less than 5 or greater than 5?
Less than.
Less than. Is it less than? If you get 9 chocolates or 5 chocolates, which one will be more?
5.
9. So 9 is bigger than 5. So we can divide 9 by 5. To divide, what do you have to do? Adidev, to divide 9 by 5, what do you have to do? My dear, to divide, you have to write the table of 5 and check whether 9 is coming in the table of 5. If 9 is not coming, please listen. After that, you can write. Please listen. If 9 is not coming, you can go for a less and nearest number to 9. Okay. So 1 5 is
1, 5. 5.
5. 2 5s are
10.
10. See, we get 9 anywhere.
No.
The table. No. So
No.
we can stop writing the table. And we cannot take 8, 10 because it is greater than 9. So you can take 1 5 is 5. That step you can take. Okay. And from that, 5 divided by 5 is equal to how much? Aditya,
20.
listen to the screen. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. From this, 5 divided by 5 is equal to, my dear, see, 5 divided by 5 is equal to, what is remaining? 5
1,
divided
1.
5 is equal to 1. Okay. 1
1.
into 5 means 1 into 5 is equal to 5 means 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Okay. Have you understood?
Yes.
Ah. So 1 is the quotient that we can write on the top. So division over, comparison over, division over. What is the next step?
Mm,
Hmm.
Multiplication.
Multiplication. So you can multiply 1 and 5. 1 into 5,
1 into 5. 5.
5. Now 9 minus 5, what you will get? Take 9 fingers. Close 5 fingers.
Mm,
Take 9 fingers, my dear. Did you take 9 fingers? Where is the 9 fingers, show me? Close 5 fingers. How many is remaining? Count how many is remaining. Count the fingers.
4.
4. So 9 minus 5 is 4. What do you have to do next?
Mm,
Hmm.
subtract.
No, subtraction over. No, just now subtraction over. After subtraction, C, D, M, S, B. B for what? My
Mm,
dear. B for bring down. What is that?
bring down.
You have to bring down the next digit. What is the next digit? What is the next digit? After 4, what is written?
Mm,
Sorry?
0.
0. Now you have to divide 40 divided by 5. Thank you, Adidev. Let me call another one. Fayan, please unmute. Please unmute, Fayan. Ah, now
Yes.
40 divided by 5. 40 is less than 5 or greater than 5? 40 is less than 5
Greater.
or greater than 5?
Greater.
Greater than 5. So we can divide 40 by 5. Now to divide, so comparison over. To divide, what you have to do? To divide, what you have to do, Fayan? To divide 45, 40 divided by 5, what do you have to do? Fadil, please unmute. Uh, what do you have to do to divide 40 by 5? What step you have to do? Arav, please unmute and say. Unmute. Aditya MS, what do you have to
80.
do to divide 40 by 5?
8 into 5, 4.
We have to continue the
40.
table. We have to continue the table and check whether 40 is coming in the table, or otherwise you have to go for a less and nearest number. So 2 fives are 10. Adityan, 3 fives are
15.
15. 4 fives are
20.
20. 5 fives are
25.
25. 6 fives are
30.
30. 7 fives are
35.
35. 8 fives are
40.
40. 40 divided by 5 is equal to
8.
8. Very good. That you can write on the top as the question. So division over, what is the next step? After division, what is the next step? M for
Multiply.
multiply. So 8 into 5, what you will get?
40.
40. That you can write down to the dividend that we have divided. Now what is the next step? Adidev, please listen. 40 minus 40. You have to subtract. 40 minus
40.
40, what you will get?
0.
0. And what is the next step?
Subtract.
Subtraction over,
Bring
my dear.
down.
Bring down. Which one we have to bring down? Which digit?
9.
9. Now you have to divide 9 by 5. Now, Ayan Mustafa, please unmute. Very good, Adityan.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayan, 9 divided by 5. What you
Yes,
will get
ma'am.
as quotient? In 9, how many 5s are there? Yeah, we have already divided 9 by 5. See, in the first step, 9 divided by 5, what you got? 1. 9 divided by
One.
5, you got 1. So here also what you will
One.
get? 9 divided by 5?
One.
1. And so we divided now. Others, please mute your audio. Wait, my dear. Now, Ayan, 1 into 5, what you
Yes,
will
ma'am.
get? 1 into 5. Next, we have to multiply. 1 into 5, what you will get? 1, 5,
5.
5. It is already there. 5. What is the next step? What do you have to do next? After writing like this, what do you have to do next? My dear, we have to subtract 9 minus 5. What is 9 minus 5?
9 minus 5.
Take 9 fingers. Take 9 fingers. Close 5 fingers. How many is remaining?
4.
4. Here, no more digits to bring down, so you can stop the division. Here, what is the quotient we got? Can you say the quotient? Quotient means answer. That we write on the top of the bracket. What will you read that? Hmm. How will you read that? Amen. Please unmute. Tell me the quotient for this question.
181.
181. Ayan, have you understood which is the quotient now?
Yes.
And what is the remainder?
Remainder 4.
4. Very good. Have you got the same answer, Amen?
Yes.
Very good, my dear. So, this is the answer.
Me too.
So, if anybody is there to correct your answer, please do it. Quotient is 181 and remainder is 4. Vihan, completed? Yes. And those who have completed this one, please take your notebook. Yes, I can see. Everybody take your notebook. We are going to do few more questions. Have you all done? Can I stop sharing?
Yes.
All of you take your notebook and give the heading. Divide and check your answer. Divide and check your answer. Check your answer. A. 343 divided by 3. You have to do the division and you have to check your answer also. Now itself, everybody do it. Open your notebook, copy down and do it. And I will send 3 more questions. You have to do it as a homework. This one I'll show you. If you are doing alone also, I will show you. 343 divided by 3. Aryan, please unmute, turn on your video. Turn on your video. Here, first we have to divide which digit first. Which one we have to divide first? In 343. Hmm? Is it 3 or 4 or 3?
3.
You have to divide 3. 3 divided by
3.
3 divided by 3, what you will get?
3.
No. When we divide same numbers, we will get quotient as 1.
0.
1. 1. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. 100 divided by 100 is equal to 1. Okay. So when we divide same numbers, you will get 1 as answer. Okay. Now
Yes.
you can write. Otherwise, you can check the table. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. So from this, 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Okay. And what is the next step? So we return quotient as 1. What is the next step?
Only.
Your voice is breaking, my dear. I cannot hear you properly. Joseph, please unmute and say.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you have to do next?
4.
Hmm. We
Multiply.
divided 3 by 3 and we got quotient 1. So after division, what do you have to do next step?
Multiply.
Multiply. You have to multiply 1 and 3. 1 into 3, what you will get, my dear?
1 into 3, 3.
3. Very good. What is the next step?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. 3 minus 3?
3 minus 3 is 0.
0. And what is the next step?
Bring down. Bring
Uh,
down.
Bring which one we have to bring down?
4.
4. Very good, dear. You can mute your audio. Let me ask to somebody else. Clement, please unmute. Clement. Oh, your voice is 4 divided by 3. What you will get, my dear?
4 into 3. 4 into 3.
Not 4 into 3. Not 4 into 3, my dear. 4 divided by 3. To get 4 divided by 3, 4 is greater than 3, so you can divide 4 by 3. To know the quotient, you have to write the table. Have to check the table and check whether 4 is coming in the table of 3. If 4 is not coming, you can take the nearest and less number of 4. Here 1
Yes,
3
sir.
is 3. 2 3s are how much?
2 3s are 2 3s are 15.
2 3s are 15.
Okay. 2 3s are 15.
2 3s are 6.
2 3s are 6.
We cannot take 6 because it is greater than 4. Because 4 is our dividend. 6 is greater than 4. So we cannot take 6. Only we can take 3. So from this 3 divided by 3 is equal to what you will get the quotient?
Quotient.
Quotient is? Vishnu, please unmute. Vishnu? Ah. 3 divided by 3 is equal to, what you will get? 3 divided by 3 is equal to,
0.
quotient, quotient will be,
14. 14.
sorry,
1.
1. That you can write on the top as the quotient. Next step is again multiplication. 1, 3 is 3. Now 4 minus 3. What you will get? 4 minus 3?
1.
1. And good, Vishnu. Now Don Martin, please unmute. Don, please turn on your video and unmute. Hmm. What is the next step? What is the next step? Your voice is not clear to me, my dear. Sanjal, please unmute. What do you have to do next?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? What do you have to do next? My dear, we have to bring down the next digit also. That is 3. And you have to repeat all these steps again. Now, Paunami, please unmute. Paunami, can you hear me? Vihan, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
13 divided by 3, what you will get?
13 divided by 3.
For to divide that, what do you have to do?
Write the multiplication table.
We can continue. 3
3
3s are
into 3. 9.
9. 4 3s are
12.
12. 5 3s are
15.
15. Can we take 15?
No, it's
No,
greater.
because it is already greater than 13. 13 is our dividend. So you can stop writing the table. We cannot take 15. We can take which one?
12.
12 is the less and nearest number. So from this 12 divided by 3 is equal to, what is the quotient?
4.
4. That you can write on the top. What is the next step?
Multiply.
Multiply. 4 3s are
4 3s are 12.
12. What is the next step?
Subtract.
Subtract. 13 minus 12. What you will get?
1. 1.
1. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. You will get 1 as the remainder. So what is the quotient over here?
114.
114. What is the remainder?
1.
1. Now, to do checking, what do you have to do first?
Quotient into divisor.
Quotient into divisor.
Plus remainder.
Plus remainder is equal to how much? What we have to get?
Equal to plus remainder equal to 343.
That is means our dividend. We have to get our dividend. It will be better if you are checking whether we got a remainder that should be less than the divisor. Here 1 is our remainder and the divisor is 3. 1 is less than 3, so that is true. It's okay. So step 2 is quotient into divisor plus remainder equal to dividend. That is this is compulsory to do. So quotient is, we already written 114 into divisor is, what is the divisor?
3.
3. Divisor is 3. Plus, what is the remainder?
Equal to 342 plus remainder.
Remainder is 1.
Plus remainder equal to 300.
So 114 into 3 we have to multiply. 4 3s are?
4 3s are 12.
12, 2 here, 1 balance. 1 3 is?
1 3 is 3.
3 plus 1?
3 plus 1, 4.
1 3 is again
3.
3. So when we multiply 114 into 3, we got 343. With that, what we have to add?
Plus 1 equal to
1.
343.
Check, is that our dividend?
Yes.
Yes, our dividend is 343. So we got 343 equal to 343. So our division is
Correct.
correct. My dear children, I will send 3 homework questions. Don't worry, all these questions I will share. So please, if anybody is there to complete, please complete it. And also please try to do the homework questions. And if you have any doubt, please ask me in the next class. Okay? So thank you, my
Okay.
dear children. Bye. See you next
Bye.
day. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Bye. Thank you, ma'am.